eh. Pero wala pong due process. Yung po ang gusto kong ipaintindi rin. Pati nga po yung membership ko sa Commission on Appointments na wala namang kinalaman dito sa gawain natin sa Kongreso, tinanggal din po ako ron. Meron po bang due process? Tingnan po ninyo yung ginawa niyang sulat.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman. Point of order.
What is the point
I
of
think,
order, Congressman
Mr. Chairman,
Dan
the
Fernandez?
good gentleman is not under investigation in this committee, and we are investigating other matter. If you wanted to be investigated
Mr. Chair,
that matter, I think,
I
Mr. Chairman,
still
this is not
have
the
the
right
The point
floor,
of
Mr.
order is
Chair.
proper.
I still have the floor, Mr.
What is the point of
I'm still-
order?
the point
Congressman
of order.
Marcoleta, please wait to be recognized. 1 minute
Pwede
suspension
po
is
bang
declared by the
pigilan
chair.
ng isang nagsasalita? Chair, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Marcoleta.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Before an action may be taken by the committee, may I know how the totality of evidence